Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Gladiator airbox. First, locate the airbox on the passenger side of your engine bay. It's a straightforward process, but having the right tools makes it much easier. You'll primarily need an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. This prevents accidental electrical issues while you're working under the hood. Next, we'll begin disconnecting the components attached to the airbox. Use your 8mm socket to loosen the hose clamp that secures the intake tube to the top of the airbox. Once that's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector for the mass airflow sensor. There's usually a small tab to press or a gray locking clip to slide out. Finally, remove the crankcase vent line from the intake tube, often by pressing a tab and pulling it back. Now it's time to remove the airbox itself. There are typically 4 captive fasteners on the lid of the airbox. Loosen these with your 8mm socket. You don't need to remove them completely as they usually stay attached to the lid. Once loosened, lift the airbox lid and set it aside, then remove the air filter. Next, look for any 10mm bolts securing the lower airbox to the fender or radiator support and remove them. You may need to wiggle the box to release it from rubber grommets. With the airbox removed, take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or damage. Clean as needed before reassembly. When putting everything back together, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Ensure all clamps are tightened, electrical connectors are securely reattached, and the airbox is properly seated. Double-check all connections before reconnecting your battery. And hey, if you're looking for great gear, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other deals. Thanks for watching and drive safe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.